Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So guys, I'm back today again with another reaction video to a recommendation from the group EXO, and this is a 2020 compilation to the live vocals of the group. So I am excited. Over the weekend I went to a funeral to one of my closest friends. So well, not over the weekend, but this weekend. Whatever this date is posted up, just know it's a day that I went to the funeral service of my friend. So let's listen to this live vocal to the group EXO. But give us a live vocals 2020. Hey, they're giving us live vocals, y'all. Give us live vocals. So damn, so everyone could sing in this group, okay? Yeah. Okay. He better sing like his rent is due. Oh, that was nice. Oh, this must be at their concert. Okay. Okay. Well, EXO is that group. I'm not gonna say her lie. It was very good. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I like that pink hair. Well, this is a very good plus that actually no autotune, so I'm gonna give them that. Okay. Oh my god, I need their colorist. Oh my god, look at their hair. Oh, you can see his veins. Oh, he's singing. Yes, let the words use you, sir. Yes, let them use you. Oh, so cute. Oh wow, his voice is deep. He's singing like Oh, his voice is dead. It is dead. Come on. What do they call a head voice? That light voice? Damn, so everyone in this group can sing then. One life and one thing about K-pop and J-pop and M-pop and P-pop and what I'm seeing right now and I-pop is like the whole team got to know to sing, dance, and rap. Oh, I hit that note perfectly. Yay. I don't know why they keep having these commercials. Like, I'm gonna get time for that.
Feels weird picking it up. The legacy of that. This love, I mean it till the day I
die. Yes. Look at all those people. Oh, you know they're really singing when they, because I know when it comes to dancing and singing pop songs, they usually have like headphones, like he's wearing right now. And when they're really about to belt out some vocals, they have the hand mic. Oh mama, oh mama, oh, who's that? Okay, sir. Oh, he better hit that note. I like that. I like that note. Yes, I like that note. Hey, hey, hey. Seriously, I need their colorist. Your hair's amazing. Oh, yes, yes, I like that. Oh, he looks good. Okay. He's giving us a little bit of rap in this one. I know someone explained to me this means, I guess, means love. Okay, look at him sitting right there like he's a teacher, like a vocal coach. His voice sounds really good. I could see him being like on stage or something. Okay, sir, I get it. You could sing. I'm out of breath now. Next. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Google Fi, a phone plan by Google. It's easy to switch to Fi from the comfort of your home.
Though they really do be putting a lot in their performance, I really have to give them that. The show is amazing. Like the screens. Are you kidding me? Come on, Michael Jackson. Yes, rent is due, sir. The whole group, I get it. The whole group can sing. I get it. I get it. Yes. Yes, close it off. Close it off. Yes. Yes, yeah. Hey guys, so thank you guys so much for that. That was another recommendation by someone to reacting to EXO live vocals, and I saw the compilation for 2020 and I decided to give a reaction to it. I was said over and over, I get it. All the members can sing. I get it. EXO's the best. I won't say the best, I won't offend anyone, but EXO's one of the best groups out there. Literally. In singing, rapping, performance, stage presence, literally. EXO is that group. So thanks to the person who recommended me to react to that. I really appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as well. As always, who can do you besides you? I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey.